In the heart of the city, cryptic symbols scar the sidewalks and buildings, unnoticed by most. Sarah, a librarian, strides purposefully towards her workplace, her eyes glossing over the peculiar markings as mere graffiti. The city's silent secrets hide in plain sight, veiled by the mundane rhythm of daily life. In the heart of the library, Sarah stands before towering shelves, her fingers dancing across the pages of a dusty manuscript. A strange symbol emerges from the ancient pages, sparking a sense of dread that crawls up Sarah's spine. The silence of the library amplifies the eerie nature of her discovery, as if the walls themselves are whispering secrets. As the heavy library doors shut, Sarah finds herself alone on the dimly lit street, shadows stretching long and distorted under the flickering streetlights. Suddenly, a stranger emerges from the darkness, his face obscured, delivering a foreboding warning. You've seen them. Now they know you. In the dimly lit secret meeting room, old maps and documents covered in strange symbols hint at mysteries carefully tracked and long hidden. The group leader speaks, his voice a low murmur. These symbols, they're more than just markings, they're a key. Sarah, captivated by the group leader's words, replies, a key to what? The group leader reveals a long-held secret, to a power long forgotten, hidden beneath the city. You, Sarah, are the one who can unlock it. Beneath the city's surface, an ancient underground chamber pulsates with eerie light, its walls adorned with enigmatic symbols. As Sarah and her group venture deeper, they find themselves face to face with a formidable adversary, setting the stage for a decisive confrontation. In this climactic moment, Sarah must use her knowledge and courage to thwart the adversary's sinister plot and safeguard the city from impending doom.